Welcome to Customers Billing System. This program is developed using Visual Basic and embedded database. So let me reset and you guys see how it works there. Now enter whatever value you want to enter, and the name, let's say the name is 14, and the surname is Johnny. An address of Johnny, 14 Johnny is number 3, Goodman Close. Right there. Let's say Goodman Close. Okay, that's fine. And here, that's the postcode. Let's go for then mobile phone, email 14 at Gmail. Nationality, let's say she's a Canadian. Date of birth, and let's make that 2002. Type, she's a pilot. Gender, female, and single. So what snack does she want? She wants 3 of those. That's for coffee one, and maybe one of these. There. All we just need to do is to click on the cost. There we go. There. So what I'm going to do now is to take you guys straight into Visual Basic development environment, and we'll put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys. Hi and welcome to Customer Billing System. This billing system is going to be created using a database. So let's start by clicking on Create New. Okay, let's give this project a name. I'm going to call it Customer Billing System, or just Customer Billing. Let's say VB. There we go. Now click on Save. Click on OK. Okay guys, the form is ready. I'm going to define the size of this form. So let's just make that 1,300, and let's try that again. 1. And make this 800, and there. So the back color, let's change the back color to, I'm going to go for, so I'm going to change that to maybe candidate blue. Let's see if we have that there. Try that again. I think we might have it here. There we go, candidate blue. Right. Now the next thing is, let's come to the toolbox, and we need, let's see, we need palette. We're gonna need a couple of those. Okay, I will change the color of this very palette. Let's see, let's come to the background here and just change it to, I want to change that to powdered blue. There we go, powdered blue. And there, let's copy. Okay, so let me make this about maybe 450. That'll be for the width. And I'm gonna need 3 of these actually. Just drag that down a little bit more, and we can just copy it. Hold on to your control, click and drag. That's one here and one more here. Click, drag. There we go. I think 450 might be a little bit too much. Okay, well, just for now. Alright, the next thing is I'm going to copy these. Let's copy this very one. click copy and let's paste it right inside here, right in here. Okay, and we then change the color of this. I'm going to change the color of this to candidate blue. So let's go to the background and insert candidate blue. Alright, that's cool. And let's copy it for the other one here. Click copy and drag. There we go. Right. So that's fine. Now the next thing I would like to do is, okay, let me just copy copy one more here. That would be for the base of this one. Click, hold, no. Click and copy. Just drag it down. That's fine here. Now let's go to the tools and connect to database. I have a database here that I would like to embed. Okay, before I embed the database, let me show you guys the data itself. There it is. Okay, let's right click and you see the design view. There we go. There is nothing inside this database. Okay, let me close that and just open it as a table. And there's nothing inside it. So let's close that. And I'm now going to embed the database, browse to wherever I have it saved. Right here, I have it inside my documents. So let's just click on, select it and click on open. I will also include this database in my description for you guys if you want. So I'm going to get rid of that. I don't need that. Test it to see if it works. That is fine. It's working fine. Click on OK and just click on OK. Okay, now the next thing is I'm going to click on my data source and let's click on add new database. If you don't seem to have this data source here, I would advise you to go to view, go to other windows, and right there, that's it, right there, just click on it and there we go. Then click on it. Once it's clicked on, make sure database is selected, click on next and next again. Now we have to make sure it's right there, else we change the connection. Click on next. Okay, and this dialog box pops up asking you to confirm if you want the database to be added to the project file. Just say yes, click on yes and click on next again. And there we go. So just make sure you check the table where you have all your information or all your rules, and then click on finish. Now click on the data source and drop this down. Okay, those are the details. Really, I can always select this and just click on details, drag it on board, but I intend to do it individually because I need some other data separated really. Okay, now come, I might as well pin this down, just grab it individually. Right, so name. Okay, so that is that. Now the next thing I want to do is, for this, let's see if we can change those. No. Okay, let's just add these ones first. Put that there, this one as well. Then we can always enhance it individually anyway. Right. let's come in here and add the cakes. Yeah. Okay, move this as well. Okay. I think I'm going to speed that up as soon as I finish, get back to you guys. Okay guys, this is how it all looks now. Okay, so I'm going to now let's add a rich text box here somewhere. Let's come right down. There we go. And just draw that here. Bring it down a little bit more. Okay. And the other thing is I'm going to need another panel. Let's come right here and grab that and just draw it here. And let's change the back color of that very panel to this very one. I'm going to change it to powdered blue. Right. And I will also copy it across here. Let's bring it down a little bit and copy. Hold on to your control, click and drag. We want it here. Let's bring it across. Right. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. And this as well. We will now add some buttons. Add some buttons here and here. How many buttons? I don't know for now. Let's just grab maybe one. Let's change this. Two. Okay, I have 4 buttons there. I'm just gonna copy those 4 buttons, drag it along here as well. Yeah, there we go. Right. So I'm going to save and just run it and see how it's gonna look like. Right, this is how it looks for now. You see these buttons? I think I'm gonna have to change the colors as well, maybe to candidate blue. So let's close that and just select all of the buttons and change the back color to candidate blue. And let's go to the properties. Candidate blue. Right. And as well, since it's all selected, let's increase the font size and just make that bold 16 as well. We can always change it around anyway. Right, let's just run and see how it's gonna look like. Okay, that is how it looks for now. And here I would like to have exit there. Pin this down and just change that to exit. The next one, I can call that print, and followed by maybe reset. Let's see. Okay, shall we call this one save? Alright, that's not bad. Bring this down. So I don't know, maybe we should call this, yeah, cost. We want the cost there. We want this one to be this will be next record, and this we can call this previous. That's previous, just like that. Okay, that's fine. Now run it and see how it all looks like. Okay, this is how it all looks for now. I think I like the design. Okay, let's take care of the exit. Come right down here, double click on exit. Okay, the exit has no name. That's wrong. Let's come in here and give this button a name. As BTN exit. Try that again. BTN exit. This is save, and we call the next one BTN save. BTN reset. Alright, let's double click on exit. We're going to declare as follows: div I exit as dialog result. And now I'm going to say I exit equals message box dot show, and say confirm if you want to exit, and comma, there we call that customer billing system. Okay, another comma here, and that is going to be BTN. No, that will be button message box button dot yes or no, comma, message box, that will be icon dot question. There. Right, so let me move this code so that you can see. I'll just say, there we go, that's it. Now I will then use an if statement. If I exit equals dialog result dot yes, then application dot exit. There we go. So that is the exit taken care of. You can always just write application dot exit, but I prefer it this way. In case you make a mistake, you can always just stop it from exiting. So let's come in here and run it, then we'll see what's going to happen. Alright, let's try exit. I'll click on exit. There we go. No, that was a mistake. That's it. That's the whole purpose of the exit. It prompts you to confirm if you really want to exit or not. Alright, there we go. You can exit. Run it again. Let's see. So all I'm going to now do is take care of all of these. But for now, guys, with that, I'm going to call it the end of the first part of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly. Bye for now.